Hey Biz, it's Zung, and today we are gonna make a super nourishing chicken and vegetable soup that's perfect for these chilly, cold days of fall, or for me, for postpartum recovery. All right, let's start by sauteing our aromatics. I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil into my pot, and then I'm gonna saute half of an onion that I've already chopped up until it's nice and translucent. Then I'm gonna add some chopped up carrots, some celery, saute them for a couple more minutes, just until you see it nice and caramelized. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of salt to the vegetables, just to season it because the pores have opened up and it will absorb more flavor. And then to just season everything up, I have some turmeric, lots of ginger that I've chopped up, probably like half of my thumb's worth, and some minced garlic. All of the amounts will be in the description box below. I'll saute those for a couple minutes, and once you start smelling the ginger flavor, go ahead and throw in the chicken. I have 4 bone-in skinless chicken thighs, and then now I'm just gonna season the chicken thigh. You can do that before you put it in too, but I forgot to. Just like a little pinch of salt on each one. And then I'm adding bone broth to really maximize the nutrients. So this carton has 32 fluid ounces or 4 cups. So if you think that this amount of liquid is good for your soup, go ahead and leave it as is. But if you want it more soupy, you can add an extra cup of water. I think I want mine a little more soupy, so I'm gonna add an extra cup in there. Now I'm gonna let the soup come to a boil, and then we'll cover it up, turn the heat down to about medium-low, and let it simmer for about 25 minutes until the chicken kind of falls off the bone. And now we wait. All right, I think it's ready. Ah, yeah. It smells so good, and the chicken looks pretty cooked through. I mean, it should definitely be cooked through. So now I'm gonna remove the chicken thighs, and we are gonna remove the meat from the bone. So to debone the chicken, I just use like a small paring knife and a fork, and I just kind of peel it off, and it can be in cubes or shreds. I personally prefer it kind of in larger chunks. So I have my chunky shredded chicken, and I'm just gonna add it back into the pot carefully, along with some chopped kale. I have about like 2 to 3 cups here, maybe 3 cups. And then my secret trick to chicken soup, I always squeeze juice from half a lemon in there to really brighten everything up. And then I'll give it a mix. Oh my gosh, it looks so hearty and delicious. If you really want to make this stretch, you can add some white beans, like cannellini beans in there, and it'd be so good too. Or pasta. Make it like a chicken kale noodle soup. But this is good enough for me. Now I'm just gonna let it simmer for another 10 minutes so that the kale can be totally cooked through, and it's ready to serve. I'm gonna add a little more soupy broth, and it's like I have a hug in a bowl right here. It's just so like comforting. Oh, I like to add a little bit of black pepper.